Right. Dito kami sa Walter ng aming mag-iina, si Donnie. Totoy. Walter! Yay! Bago lang yan. Bagong open. Walter Naik yan.
Christmas baskets to families in need. Together, let's aim to donate more than 15,000 Christmas baskets so we can reach more families this year. Ang saya talaga to share this Christmas at ang saya ng Pasko sa Walter Mart.
Saya ng Pasko sa Walter Mart.
Ang saya ng Pasko sa Walter Mart.
Oh!
Celebrate this season with a popular sale